Would you would you please turn on your video? Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey. So Sharanya, are you ready to take class? I'm Parul Gupta. I'm your teacher. I will take your science class. You're very intelligent girl. That's good. Okay, Sharanya. So I will take your science class. So are you ready with your notebooks or pen or pencil?
I have pencil.
All right. So please firstly start your class. Just write down today's date and day. I will show you how to make a format always. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen to show you how to make format before you start your class. You need to make this format. You know what is the format? The format is day and the topic because in we are having our science subject only. So yeah, very good. Show me on camera. Very nice, lovely, lovely. Very good. And whenever I will give you any worksheet to do and any homework, then you need to write homework also on the top of the page. Okay. Can you tell me just little brief about human body? What do you know about human body?
Well, I know about the digestive system.
All right.
The other name for food pipe is also called esophagus. The gastric juices present in our body are
Three main parts. All right. First body, main part of the body is head. What is the main part of our body?
head,
Yes. So write down number one, head. Body is made up of three parts. The first you can see this is the head. All right. This part, the start from the neck and the head. This is our first part. All right. And if I say, Sharanya, can you tell me this head, what it is consist of? What is made up of? Like eyes, nose, mouth, ears. It all comes
the head.
under head. Yes or no? Yes. So please write the head has the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. So please write under this.
Also called the main body part because it has all the sense organs. Without it, we cannot hear.
Exactly. Yes. Our sense, this all head is consist of our sense organs. Very good. That's why this is considered the main body part of our body. That's why I told you this head is consist of all sense organs except skin. But when you feel something on this is also skin, right? If you somebody pinch on your fin, then you feel now. So it consists of all our sense organs. I just first one is just above the neck, and then from neck to our abdomen, and then legs part. Okay, okay. So these are the three parts which our body is made up of. First one is head. The second part is torso, which include chest and abdomen. And the third one is limbs. It are made up of arms. Just speak after me. The limbs are made up of arms, hands, and our legs. Done. Joint and the muscles. They help us to twist, to turn, to do exercise, to roll, to skip, jump, everything. What are the movements you're doing from your body? Whatever the movement. Either you're moving your hand, I'm twisting my neck, I'm dropping my head, I'm opening my mouth. It's all our muscles which muscles, somewhere is joints, we can move, bend our arms, we can open your legs. So these are the better with the help of bones, joints and muscles which help our body to move. Okay. If my question comes that how our body moves, so within one line you can answer with the help of bones, joints and the muscles, they together help us to move. Okay.
Okay.
And that help us to stretch and bend. I'm repeating. I think you didn't start.
Mm,
Muscles are like You know, this is the basic thing which I will make PPT for your class. As you are in grade 4, I have a PPT for your according to your syllabus, but these are the basic things, so I just I think let you write these things. Okay, okay beta.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, bye bye beta, see you in the next class. And don't worry, we will do the step by step everything. All right, okay, bye bye.